You'll also notice that behind me here, we have our display of all of our supplier products, but also the display itself. This shelving unit here is one of New Age's T-bar adjustable shelf rack systems. And we use it, down low, we have our water and whatnot, but we have our suppliers' products up here. So we also have their products on display with every live stream that we do.
James, did you put that together yourself? I'm just curious.
I did it with Mark. So it's a very wide one. So needed two people to put it together, but Mark and myself put it together, and it was relatively easy to do.
Well, we've got a video on that, on how to put our shelving together, because some of that wire shelving you see out there is so flimsy, and it's a different way of putting it together than the wire guys. So if anybody, when they're looking at our shelving, go online and take a look at a video that we have that shows how New Age puts their shelves together. You'll learn a lot off of that.
Yeah, that's a great point to call out, is the resources available to everybody, but specifically for the Grainger sales force, the YouTube channel that New Age has, we actually, on our LinkedIn company page, we share their YouTube videos all the time. And they're just pumping out tons and tons of great material on a consistent basis. So look up New Age Industrial on YouTube and check out their video, subscribe to it. That way you can learn more about the versatility of their products. But one other thing too, when it comes to the resources, is customization. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, that's my favorite subject. So you probably might want to go take a nap while I'm trying to go through on this one. No, when it comes to the custom side again, we've got everything there to help you get it done. The first thing we try and do is we do have a worksheet where you can go in there and fill it out as far as what your loads are, the size, it asks you every question you can possibly want to know, on it. So that way you can draw a little sketch of it and everything. But my engineers are so good at that. You can give it to them and they can get something back to you and get a price to Grainger so they can forward it on if it's doing something for sourcing, because that's going to be that customization side again. But yeah, I hope I answered your question. I might have diverted off there. I'm sorry.
No, you did great. So on top of the large assortment of products that New Age Industrial has in Grainger, we also have that customization. So if your customer wants, say, this shelving system, but they want it a little different, work with Bob or Mark here at Rowe-Thrush, and we'll help you guys out on getting you into contact with the people needed to help create something like that.
And we have a YouTube channel. It's www.youtube.com/user/New Age IND. If they want to go look at that too, we'd have that available to them too.
Yeah, thank you, Megan, for including that, commenting on that to create a quick link to it. So thank you for that.